Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this HyperSKU review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. HyperSKU, a comprehensive dropshipping platform review, my usage experience. HyperSKU stands out as a robust drop-shipping platform specifically designed to empower entrepreneurs in streamlining their sourcing, order fulfillment, and inventory management processes. It's geared towards sellers aiming to significantly scale their businesses by providing access to high-quality products, expedited shipping options, and dependable customer support. A major advantage of HyperSKU lies in its unique product sourcing service. Unlike conventional platforms that limit you to pre-existing supplier catalogs, HyperSKU facilitates direct sourcing from manufacturers. Their dedicated team actively identifies reliable suppliers offering competitive pricing and consistent product quality, ensuring your customers receive top-tier merchandise. This direct sourcing capability is invaluable for cultivating a reputable brand within a competitive marketplace. Fast shipping is another key strength of HyperSKU. They provide global fulfillment services with strategically located warehouses in the US, Europe, and China, enabling delivery times as quick as 7 to 12 days to key markets. This significantly improves upon standard drop shipping delivery times, boosting customer satisfaction and encouraging repeat business. HyperSKU further distinguishes itself by offering custom branding and private labeling options. This means you can personalize your products with your logo, custom packaging, and branded inserts. These features are crucial for establishing a professional and recognizable brand identity, giving your store a distinct competitive edge over those relying on generic solutions. Integration is seamless with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. HyperSKU automates product imports, inventory synchronization, and order fulfillment, eliminating manual tasks, saving you valuable time, and minimizing errors. Real-time shipment tracking provides peace of mind for both you and your customers, ensuring transparency throughout the delivery process. HyperSKU's dedicated account managers are a standout feature, setting it apart from many competitors. These experienced professionals provide personalized support, assisting you with product selection, negotiating supplier terms, and resolving any challenges that may arise. This personalized approach makes HyperSKU an ideal choice for entrepreneurs who value individual attention and guidance. While HyperSKU offers premium services, it might not be the perfect fit for absolute beginners due to its emphasis on scaling and customization. However, for dropshippers prepared to expand their operations, the platform offers exceptional value. In summary, HyperSKU presents a powerful solution for dropshipping entrepreneurs seeking reliable sourcing, rapid shipping, and effective branding options. Its comprehensive suite of services and seamless automation capabilities make it a valuable tool for scaling your business. Explore the links in the description to learn more about HyperSKU and determine if it aligns with your dropshipping objectives. This review aims to provide clarity on whether HyperSKU is the right platform for your specific business needs.